This is Ben.
Mr. Zoe, we have a critical situation. Approximately 401,000 Ethereum, 1.5 billion has been transferred out.
How could this have happened?
Still investigating the breach vector.
Alert all necessary departments.
One keystroke, one authorization, $1 billion gone in 47 seconds. The greatest digital heist in history wasn't committed with guns or explosives, but with an email. Bybit emerged in 2018 as a scrappy newcomer in cryptocurrency trading. By 2025, it had transformed into a financial giant, the third largest crypto exchange globally, handling billions in daily transactions for 10 million users worldwide. From its Dubai headquarters, CEO Ben Zhao built what many considered an impenetrable digital fortress until February 21st, 2025. The attack began with the perfect counterfeit, a phishing email indistinguishable from routine communications. When executives authorized what appeared to be a standard transfer, they unknowingly handed the keys to the kingdom to one of the world's most dangerous hacking groups. In under a minute, 401,000 Ethereum, $1.5 billion vanished from Bybit's cold storage. The security system designed to protect these assets had become the very tool used to steal them. Blockchain forensics quickly identified the culprits, North Korea's infamous Lazarus Group, the same hackers responsible for stealing over $3 billion in cryptocurrency since 2017, had just executed their masterpiece. The attack's surgical precision suggested months of reconnaissance and planning, a nation-state effort to fund weapon programs and evade international sanctions. As news spread, markets trembled. Ethereum plummeted 5% within hours. Bybit froze all withdrawals while their CEO made emergency assurances. Bybit launched an unprecedented recovery effort, offering $150 million as a bounty to anyone who could help retrieve the stolen funds. Working with specialized firms, they managed to free 67 million before it disappeared entirely. But the majority of the Ethereum had already vanished into cryptocurrency's shadowy corners, a digital treasure now funding one of the world's most isolated regimes. The Bybit hack wasn't just a financial crime, it was a wake-up call. In a world where billions can disappear with a single click, the line between security and catastrophe has never been thinner. This is the new frontier of warfare, where the most dangerous weapons aren't missiles, but lines of code. Thank you for watching, stay smart, stay safe, and see you in the next one.